In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address on the Bank of America app in 2025. Whether you've moved recently or simply need to update your contact information, knowing how to do this quickly and efficiently on the app can save you a lot of time. Mobile banking has become increasingly popular, allowing more of us to manage our finances conveniently at our fingertips. So let's walk through the process together to ensure your address information is up to date. First, you'll want to begin by opening up the Bank of America mobile app on your device. If you're prompted, go ahead and sign in using your online banking ID and passcode. This step ensures that your account is secure and only you can access your personal banking information. Once logged in, we're going to be navigating through some of the app's features, so make sure your login credentials are handy if you need to input them more than once. Once you've signed in, look towards the top right corner of your home screen. Here, you'll notice either a menu symbol, which resembles three horizontal lines, or perhaps a profile icon depending on your app version. Tap on this to proceed. This is your gateway to a host of banking functionalities, but today we'll focus on updating your address. From the menu options that appear, find and select Profile and Settings. This section is specifically tailored to manage your personal information. Here, you can update various aspects of your profile, from contact details to security settings, but we're going to concentrate on changing your address. Next, tap on either Contact Information or Addresses. The option you see might vary depending on app updates, but both will lead you to the necessary section. Once there, you'll notice the different address types listed. These might include mailing, billing, or permanent. Choose the specific address type you wish to update. This allows for a customized approach, especially if you have different addresses for different purposes. Now it's time to enter your new address information. Type in the full details of your new location carefully. It's a good idea to double check everything before you move on. Once you're sure all the details are accurate, go ahead and review your entries one final time, then tap on Save or Submit. This will officially set your new address in the system. After submission, you should see a confirmation message popping up on your screen. This message is your assurance that your address has been successfully updated. Make sure to keep an eye out for this confirmation, as it's crucial in verifying that the changes have fully processed. And there you have it. You've just updated your address using the Bank of America app. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date is important for receiving timely communications and maintaining security over your accounts. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any other banking tasks to tackle, keep exploring your app for more features.